Can you see those, everybody? I call these my tuna boats. It's a quick and easy recipe. I have them for lunch whenever I'm feeling the need for a lot of greens, fruits, vegetables, and some protein. Here I've got a few things, and all of these videos you can find on my YouTube channel. I've got a tuna mixture. I have my homemade guacamole recipe. That one's an easy one. You can find that full video on my YouTube channel. In the center, you'll see here, it's like a treat, really colorful. It's my mango salsa. You can find that full video on my YouTube channel as well. Very easy mango salsa recipe. My tuna is mixed up. I've got some great flavors in there. I hope you followed along. I'm ready to give these a try. Please also remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn on that notification button. That way you'll see every time I post a new video. Time to get into these, I think. Boom! These are delicious. A healthy recipe you can make right at home too. Give these a try. Those are fantastic. I even have some cantaloupe. All the flavors here go really well together. Imagine you could serve this for lunch to your friends. There's enough for everybody. You can even fold them up if you choose to. You can add the mango salsa. I have a fork here. I should have had a little spoon, but that's okay. So you've got everything right in there in your little tuna boat. You can fold it up. You can take the whole thing down, kind of like what I'm about to do right here. Don't watch this one. Delicious and a healthy recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Boom.